Log in to my HR account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for MyHR login. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the very first link you see there on top of your screen. You will then be led to the login portal of MyHR. So go ahead and enter a valid email address linked to your MyHR account followed by enter your password. Once entered, simply tap on the login button you see there in order to log yourself into MyHR. And just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot your password option you see there in order to recover your password and log in further. So this was about how you can log in to MyHR account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.